Imagine this. You're a student. You're sitting in your dorm, staring at your bank account. Empty. Rent is due. Books are expensive. Friends are going out, but you're stuck thinking, how can I even afford tomorrow? Here's the truth. 2025 has completely changed the game. Students aren't waiting for degrees anymore. They're building income streams while they're still in class. This video will uncover the 5 steps. Every student needs to earn money online this year. And trust me, you don't want to miss Chapter 5, because that's where everything clicks. Every student uses the internet, but almost none use it the right way. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram hours vanish every single day. But here's the hidden truth. While one student is wasting time scrolling, another is earning from the very same apps. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even new 2025 AI-driven marketplaces are exploding. Companies no longer care if you're a student, they care if you can deliver. They'll pay for designs, copywriting, video editing, coding, even virtual assistants. Picture this. While your roommate scrolls through memes, you're editing a short video for a business in New York. That business pays you $100. You spend the same time, but one of you wasted it. The other earned it. The gold mine is not hidden in secret websites, sits in front of you. The problem is most students ignore it. In 2025, online freelancing is the modern part-time job, except it doesn't require a uniform, a boss breathing down your neck, or a clock-in system. It only requires skill and discipline. The twist. This gold mine doesn't last forever. Every year, more people flood into freelancing. The question is, will you jump in now or later, when it's already too crowded? Let's be real. Nobody is going to pay you just because you need money. They'll only pay you for what you can do. But here's the encouraging part. In 2025, you don't need years of training to get paid. Micro-dash skills, like Canva design, writing short captions, voiceovers, TikTok video editing, or even managing social media accounts are in demand. A student who learns just one of these can start charging $10, $20, even $50 per gig. And those small numbers, they add up fast. Think about it. You spend hours on your phone already. But instead of mindlessly scrolling, what if you learned to use that same phone as a tool? Imagine recording voiceovers in your dorm room, making thumbnails on Canva, or writing product descriptions in a coffee shop. That's money earned anywhere, anytime. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and even TikTok Creator Marketplace are like global classrooms, but instead of grades, you get paid. The suspenseful twist? Students think they're too small or too inexperienced to compete. But businesses aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for speed, affordability, and fresh ideas. That's exactly what students bring. So the question is, are you going to keep scrolling or start selling your skills? Now, let's go deeper. Freelancing is powerful, but it's still trading time for money. What if you could build something that makes money while you sleep? This is where the silent online businesses come in. Print, ManPod. You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Upload them to sites like Redbubble or Teespring. And every time someone buys, you get paid. No stock, no shipping, just profit. Affiliate marketing, you recommend a product, whether it's an app, a gadget, or even a course, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn commission. Zero upfront cost. Content creation, platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are paying creators more than ever. The content doesn't need to be Hollywood level, just needs to grab attention. The suspense here? These businesses are slow burns. You won't make $1,000 on day one. But once momentum builds, they become unstoppable. Imagine uploading a design once and earning from it every month, or creating one viral video that pays you for years. Most students want quick wins. The smart ones? They build these quiet empires while others waste time. And when it finally clicks, the income doesn't stop. Here's the reality check. Opportunities are everywhere in 2025, but opportunity is useless if you don't show up consistently. Most students fail online because they treat it like a lottery. They do one gig, upload one video, try one side hustle, quit when they don't see instant results. But those who succeed treat online work like a real career. Think of it like fitness. You don't get abs after one workout, you get them by showing up daily, even when you don't feel like it. Same applies here. Imagine dedicating just 2 hours every day. Instead of gaming for 5 hours, you cut 2 and focus on building. 2 hours a day equals 60 hours a month. In 60 hours, you could design a portfolio, complete gigs, start affiliate links, or even upload 30 videos. That effort could be the difference between living broke or paying your tuition online. The suspense. Consistency is boring. That's why most students quit. But boring discipline is what builds extraordinary results. So ask yourself, are you willing to do the boring? Work today for the freedom you want tomorrow. Here's the final twist. The money is real. The opportunities are real. But the biggest barrier, your mindset. When you earn your first $50 online, something shifts inside you. You realize the rules you were told. Wait for a job, wait for graduation, wait for experience are lies. In 2025, you don't need to wait. You can build now. The millionaire student mindset isn't about dreaming of Lamborghinis. It's about realizing you have control. You are not just a student. You are a business, a brand, a problem solver. Those who succeed aren't the smartest. They're the ones who believe in themselves enough to start. They're the ones who keep going when others laugh. Your choice today decides your tomorrow. Keep waiting and you'll still be broke next year. Start no end. By the time your friends graduate, you could already be financially free. So don't just watch this video and scroll away. Take the leap. Choose one skill. Start one business. Post one video, because in 2025, the students who act are the students who win. If this lit a fire inside you, don't let it die. Hit subscribe, because the next video is your step-by-step roadmap to start earning online today. Your future is waiting. The question is, are you ready to grab it?